Realtors, here are 8 ways to get free leads in 2024. Referrals. Reach out to old clients, check in with them to see if they know of anyone that might need your help. Reactivate old leads. Don't waste old leads. Just because someone wasn't ready to buy 2 years ago, it doesn't mean they're not ready to buy now. Send them some messages and see if they're interested in a free real estate strategy call. Make yourself searchable. Make it easy for leads to find you. Make sure to have a business profile for everything, like Linktree, Yelp, Google, Facebook, Instagram. For Linktree, add a calendar link and offer a free real estate consultation. For Yelp, create a Yelp business page account and make sure to add your business name, location, hours of operation, and some photos of your office. You're going to want to do the same thing with Google Business. When you reach out to your old clients, remind them that you're on Google Business so they can leave you a review. Create content. Use content to provide value and show listings that you have available. TikTok has surpassed Google as a search engine, and I personally decided to look up some restaurants for an upcoming vacation on TikTok over reading blogs found on Google, because I'm a visual person. Make sure to start a TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Google account and add all your friends and post regularly. It's really easy to use Canva to create posts and videos for content. Open house. Sundays are a great day to host. You can create Eventbrite and offer some really easy refreshments. Freshly baked cookies are always a great choice. You can invite neighbors by door knocking, and they might have friends or family that are interested in moving closer to them. Facebook Marketplace is an amazing place for leases and absolutely free. Community-based Facebook groups are great for networking and connecting with people. Oftentimes, people ask for suggestions with local restaurants, recipes, and even experienced realtors. So if you happen to have any friends or family that are on the same Facebook group, and if they happen to leave your name as a recommendation, it's a great way to get free leads. Self-promoting works as well, but you'll see better results if somebody else refers you. Door knocking. Nothing like some good old school door knocking. Door knocking is the traditional physical lead generation. So if you can't afford paying for ads, try door knocking. Building relationships and partnerships through networking and events. It's always great to be connected to loan officers because of the synergy. In this industry, it's really important to support each other. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. There are many local events that are free to join on Eventbrite. You'll be able to meet people and add value while letting them know about your services. Remember, you'll need to add a ton of value no matter what method you choose. Good luck!